I want to document my hardships in law school. I was planning to start this during the first sem, but hindi ko alam if I would last. Oh my God. But I did. And on my second sem, it's our first day of face-to-face class. Yesterday was just an online class kasi wala yung prof. Pero yun, so I want to document my life, how I passed law school and eventually passed the bar. Motivation ko din to sa sarili ko, so I really want to document everything. Not for the viewers, for myself. Diba, bigla akong inubo, bigla akong feeling magkakasakit kung kailang pasukan na. So, for the second sem, ibang atake tayo. I want to be nicer. Work harder. So, yun lang. So, right now, chismis muna ako sa aking study group. And konting basa. Actually, yeah, kailangan ko magbasa kasi judge yung prof namin ngayon. And siguro, manonood na lang ako ng YouTube lectures. Very helpful yun sa akin, para sa akin. As hirap mag-focus. So, while driving, I try to listen to YouTube lectures. Last sem, ang nakatulong talaga sa akin, si Dean Luca. Oh my God, I love you, Dean Luca. Talagang, he saved me in all aspects. He saved me sa exams, sa receipts, lalo na yung sa PFR namin. Ay, naku talaga. Okay. Well, anyway, 12:30, kailangan ko nang mag-prepare. Pero ang class ko pa talaga is 6 o'clock. Need ko magbayad ng tuition today, tsaka mag-request ng mga documents na kulang pa ako from first sem. Diba? Hindi ko kinumpleto kasi akala ko di ako matatagal. Anyway, tatagal ako. Tatapusin ko to. Okay. Time check. 2:24. Sabi ko alauna ako aalis. Oh my gosh. So, well, first day Ganun talaga. Okay. So, I'll be driving from Taytay to PUP. And every day to. Just let me breathe. Okay. Lord, inganyatan niyo ako sa biyahe ko today. Buckle up. Kamusta ba na ba ako? Side mirror, check. Yung likod. Okay naman. Makabilang side mirror. Okay, so let's drive. pag nagda-drive ako. Ayoko nang may shoes. Okay. Ano ba to? Yep. Forward up. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, Lord. Ingatan niyo, Mi. Nasaan ang kamote sa daan? Ano, makakaikot kuya, masadaan ka ta. Ay, naku. Busog ka rin pali. Ay, naku. Ay, stop. In the day, you look so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. By my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, and it knocks me right off from my feet. I can't explain why your loving makes me weak. I'm hot to fight it. No way can I deny it. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. Takes over me in the days. It's not a phase. By my side, my pride knocks me right off of my feet. I can't explain why your loving makes me weak. I get so weak, and I'm amazing. Ay, nako, mga di marunong gumamit ng rotonda. From my feet, I can't explain why your loving makes me weak. I can hardly speak. Takes over me. Kuyang angkas nagpo-phone. Why your loving makes me weak. Ako niyan. Shish. My shish. She had 2 babies. One was 6 months, one was 3. In Aurora 44. Every telephone rang, every heartbeat singing. She thought it was God calling her. Over the sun road to know his father. I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, can it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? So will it be? Sorry. He showed up all right on a rainy roadster, wearing shrapnel in his skin, and a warning song lives inside him, still in some home to be gentle and calm. The years pass by, now he has granddaughters. I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, what can it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? So will it be? Oh, so will me from across the room. You're wearing your anguish again. Believe me, I know the feeling. It sucks to the jaws of anger. Oh, so deep, a little more deep. And we have used this very moment. And I don't wanna do what his father. I wanna be here now. So open up your morning light, say a little prayer for me. You know that if we are to stay alive, see the peace in every eye. I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, can it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? So will it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, can it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? So will it be? Sorry. Open up your morning light, say a little prayer for life. You know that it's the right to stay alive, see the pain of feeling. Ang gugulo naman ito, matrapat. I get some late, want that potato. As they mean, not mediocre. A Gucci. I'm
Marumi, ew, kadiri. I'll see you later. Hindi na mamamagay. Ganito. Bilis. Siyento, pasyento. Ganito. 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 Hindi ka basta-basta nakakita ng ganito. Susunod ka dun. Ang gusto. I wish I could be the solid. Okay. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Ano kaya mo na parang ganito? Ganito, ganito.
So, it's 4:54 and dumating ako sa PUP around 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4:01, I think. Ayun. Ako pa lang ang people here for our 6 p.m. class. And it's hot. Dahil hindi pa bukas yung aircon. Okay, good luck. It's 9:41. I just came home. Yan, so I just came home and in 20 minutes magla-login na ako to work. Ito yung mga times na gusto ko na lang matulala sa pagod dahil sa biyahe.